Here I'm going to assume that you have the basic idea in hand pretty well. We're just going to work through the problems as efficiently as possible. So if that's not the case for you, go back and rewatch the lecture part, which explains more and goes into more details. Here, the goal is to get you through these problems as efficiently as possible. First one, a normal distribution has a mean of 18 and a standard deviation of 5. Use the 68, 95, 99.7 rule to find the percentage of values between 18 and 33. First of all, you want to find the difference between 18 and 33, and that comes out to be 15. Then you want to see how many standard deviations that represents. It says that the standard deviation is 5. 15 is made up of 3 5s, so that tells us immediately that 33 and 18 are 3 standard deviations apart. When we know that the values are 3 standard deviations apart, we know that we're using these percentages. Now it's just a matter of matching them up. We want to go between 18 and 33. 33 is bigger than 18. 18 is the mean. So we would be looking at this 49.85%. So 49.85% of the values are between 18 and 33. A normal distribution has a mean of 15 and a standard deviation of 3. Use the 68, 95, 99.7 rule to find the percentage of values that lie above 9. Again, we want to find the difference. The mean is 15, and we want to find the values that lie above 9, so the difference between 15 and 9 is 6. Then we notice that because the standard deviation is 3, and 6 is made up of 2 3s, there are 2 standard deviations between 9 and 15. That tells us the percentages that will be applied to this problem. Now we need to match them up. We want the values above 9. Well, remember, the mean is 15. 9 is 2 standard deviations, but it's 2 standard deviations to the left because 9 is smaller than 15. So if we want to know the values that lie above 9, we want this one, and this one. So think about that a minute. Typically when we had done above something, we were always looking at this number, and above was just that 1. But that's not always the case. They want to know the values above 9, and that consists of this percentage, and this percentage. If you add those 3 numbers up, you get 97.5. So it turns out that 97.5% of those values lie above 9.